Hi everyone, welcome to a very interesting project which is based on global warming. So, let us so our earth is full of water. It is nearly 75%. So here are some problems and solutions. So he- the first earth the first earth is global warming, and the first earth has a thermometer, and it shows that global warming, that if you plant more trees, then the temperature will go down. When you cut down the tree, the temperature will go up. The second earth is about renewable energy, which which you should use clean energy. Renewable means clean energy. These animations are done using coding, like flashing and the moving circles. So the third earth is you use pollution free vehicles. Either you can like biking, and you can also use electrical cars. But the best one option is walking. The, Now the fourth earth is planting trees. So if we do in this animation, you can see trees are growing. So if we don't have trees, we'll not have any air to breathe. And the fifth earth is about stop plastic and follow the 3 R's. So which are reduce, reuse, and recycle. So we know that our sky should be clear and blue, but there are lots of plastics floating in the air. Even some are so tiny that we cannot even see with the naked eye. So I've tried to showcase it in this animation. Now the last but not the least earth is about use renewables and stop burning fossils, like the fossil fuels. Okay, so there are lots of renewable energies like solar energy, hydro energy, solar energy, which is sun energy, hydro energy, which is water energy, wind energy, which is made by windmills, and lots more. So we should stop burning fossils so we don't need to survive in this hot 50-degree weather. That's so hot. So with these simple lines, circles, which are which I'm able to showcase the how to save our earth from global warming with just simple animations, lines and circles. So happy Earth Day. Every day is a Earth Day. Hope you enjoyed it.